What if I told you that the kind of website that you would normally pay 5 lakh to 15 lakh for and you would wait for 6 weeks to build could now be built in just 30 seconds by literally just typing in English? Let me take you back for a few years. I used to work with my very small team late at night, bouncing between trading charts and even half. Everything was ready on the strategy side, but the front end, it was buggy. The developer team that I hired needed 3 more weeks and 2.5 lakhs to finish something that I had sketched out in just 30 seconds. And I also remember of me thinking that what if I could just build it myself quickly without diving into any code, and I would be unstoppable. And fast forward to today, with one prompt which I typed, create a crypto portfolio tracker with real-time prices, user login, charts and dark mode, and before I could sip my coffee, the entire front-end, back-end, UI UX, authentication, API integration, all of it was done in just 23 seconds. And that's not an exaggeration, that's Lovable AI. And in this video, I'm going to show you how this one tool can completely change the approach of you towards trading tech and digital products forever. This isn't a drag and drop tool. This is real development. Me and my team, we have spent over a half a decade building trading systems. We have worked with hedge funds, quants, and algorithmic teams. What we realized is most of what we see online today, the drag and drop platforms, the no-code templates, they look good in demos, but they would fall apart when you scale or customize. But Lovable is completely different. It doesn't use templates, it doesn't patch together blocks. It writes actual code, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, backend logic, everything in real time and based on your instructions. Here you're not stuck choosing between option A or option B. You're defining exactly what you want and AI builds it. So now let me show you how and what I built in just 3 minutes. I wanted to test it with something I actually needed. I opened Lovable and typed build a crypto portfolio tracker with user authentication, real-time prices using CoinGecko API, profit or loss charts, transaction history and mobile-friendly layout with dark mode. And what happened next just blew my mind. Live API integration to pull crypto prices, interactive charts with gain and loss calculations, transaction logs and dashboard views, mobile responsive layout with smooth dark mode UI. All this generated, designed and coded in real time. And now to make it even more better, I typed add rebalancing suggestions based on market cap, enable email alerts for price spikes, and show a curated news feed based on asset sentiment. And guess what? It handled that too. No bugs, no lag, and it didn't even say, sorry, feature not available. And to be real, this kind of build would require a team of developers, a month of time, and even 10 to 12 lakh rupees. But with Lovable, it just took me 3 minutes. Now let's talk on what does this mean for entrepreneurs and traders. We live in a world where execution matters more than our ideas. You could have the best strategy, the best startup concept, but if you can't build it, it dies. And here, Lovable closes the gap. If you want to test a trading product, build it in a week. If you want to show a client a working analytics page, you can do it in a night. And if you are thinking of building a SaaS tool, you can build the MVP before Friday. And the real advantage here isn't just the cost, it's the speed of iteration. The ideas that used to die in your notebook can now be real and go live. Now, let's get real. Is it a perfect way or a perfect tool? You see, no tool is perfect. If you are building a fintech backend with layered compliance rules and multiple microservices, you'll obviously need a team. You'll need manual code reviews, security audits, and even database architects. But to be honest, if you are an entrepreneur or you're looking to be an entrepreneur, you don't need all that. All you need is a landing page that works, a client portal with authentication, a portfolio dashboard that runs reliably, and Lovable does that and does it fast too. I want you to remember this one thing. Speed plus simplicity is equal to leverage. The world rewards people who move fast, and in trading and tech, time is everything. Instead of spending 3 weeks on developer calls and burnouts over budget overruns, you could be easily testing your version 3 of your product all in the same time. In this era, you don't need to be technical anymore. You just need to type what you want clearly, and this is where the real leverage lies. Clear thinking plus clear communication is equal to rapid product building. So coming to the conclusion of this video, what should be your next move? Here's a 3-step challenge that I want you to try. Go to Lovable, the link is in the description. Describe a tool or idea you've been sitting on for months, build it in under 5 minutes and just try. Try out anything. Maybe it's a personal finance tracker, maybe it's a subscription business dashboard, or maybe it's a lead generator or a sales CRM. But always remember, the future belongs to the builders. And with tools like this, your only limit is your clarity. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment your idea that you're gonna try now.